my channel, Baking with Juju. Today, I just had my birthday party. It was a 7-year-old birthday party, and I'm gonna show you some of the bacon stuff I got. So I got this cute little plastic little cupcake holder, as you can see. And then my aunt made this baking with Juju bag, and she also made me this. And I have this little cake thing for a cake. And I have this little measuring thing and the measuring cups. And I have these baking bowls for like stuff. Just put them in there. We have these little spatulas. We have this big mixer. We have this big bowl to pour stuff with as batter. And we got these sprinkles that we're going to be using in my video today. And we got this big giant spatula. And that is what we got today from my aunt. And then I got something from my dad. I got this unicorn swirler. Comes with 2 little cones. And you take, it has little recipes to put the swirls on. It has blue, pink, and orange swirls. It has these 2 little things for it. And it also has these little spoons to eat with. Has the mixer, and I don't know what that is, but I think it's just to mix it. And then we have this bowl for our 3 different colors. And this thing you use, and you put your cone in it, and you take it and slide it back. This is the pumper. Take it, you put your swirling in it, and then you pump it. And we have this little sprinkler. You twist it to close it, and you twist it like that to open it. This is if you want a lot of sprinkles. This is just if you want some dots. And that's what we have. And I'm going to be making the swirl stuff today. Baking. So I'm going to start with this blue powder. So I have the powders now, and we are going to pour them in each of these little spots. Let's start with 1 scoop of that means it's the swirling stuff. 1 scoop of that. Is that good enough?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm going to add it into this bowl. I wish you guys could smell it. It really smells really good. So now we're going to use the orange. Scoop it right there. I'm going to pour this one right here. It's in there. Now I have to use the blue. More.
Fill it.
Right there. Have my mixes now. Now we just need some water.
What's that?
So we have added the colors, and they're actually kind of starting to. Now let's mix the blue. Very stiff. We are starting to mix it. And then we'll mix the pink and then the yellow. Today I had my birthday party. It was a Nerf gun birthday party. It was very, very fun. And now we had to mix the pink. And at my birthday party, we had a Nerf gun birthday party. It was a war. And I actually had a lot of fun. Mostly all of my family was there. And it was actually really, really fun. And I wish you guys could be there, but you couldn't. And I actually really love all of you fans out there. And all my family was there. And I actually had a blast there. And they had like hiding spot you could hide and shoot them at. And it was really, really fun. So, yeah. So now we have to mix the yellow. So let's mix the yellow. My mom's behind the camera. So we're gonna mix the yellow. Now you have to put it in the freezer for 5 minutes, and then we will be right back. While that's freezing, I'm gonna, the little swirl stuff, I'm gonna fill my horn with sprinkles.
How's that working out for you, Juju?
Not very well. And Mom, you have a horrible bed.
How is this my fault?
Because it's your fault. So my mom didn't have a very good idea. So I'm just making a mess around my whole house. Sorry, house. It's very crunchy over here. I'm just making a mess around my whole house. Sorry, house. It's fine.
When are you going to try a different way?
Right now.
No!
I'll use... So while I'm filling this up, it's not very working. I'm gonna put the lid on. And we are... Okay, so now I just got my stuff out of the freezer. And now we gotta fill it up in the dispenser. So the instructions say pink, yellow, and blue. So let's add it in. It's pink. It's pink, and yellow and blue. And pink's not done. So we're still gonna do the pink. Action. So now it's time for the yellow. We had the pink, now it's time for yellow. Yellow is actually a really satisfying color to me. So the yellow is almost done. There's like almost all the yellow in. So now let's wipe it off. Now it's time for blue. One of my favorite colors in the world. Now we're doing the blue, and the blue is actually a lot of the blue. I don't know why, but there is. So, trying to get this in. Really working.
Well, once we put this in, we'll push it down.
Oh. And now we are all filled up. I'm going to insert the spincher into my unicorn. There we go. Has a little bow on top. And I think now we just spray it. So, get my pink little thing. Place it into here. Push it back all the way. And then we just push. It looks amazing. Let's try to make another one. And then we will make a recipe and put some things on it. So there we go. Okay, so now we're doing the purple. So let's put it into the thing. Let's actually add a little more to this one.
That's all of it, sis.
There we go. So now we have to shake the sprinkles in. So we're going to open the sprinkler.
Here, I'll hold your comb.
So I'll hold the comb. And then we're going to...
Is it open?
Yeah, hold on. Okay, now let's do the pink one. And there we have that one. So now I'm going to try it one. Try this pink one right here. So I have my spoon and let's try it. It's actually really good. So, now we're gonna give one to my mom. So, if you would like this, a new merch logo for some merch, like water bottles, hoodies, shirts, like baking stuff, hoodies, bags, shirts, pants, aprons, and like hats and stuff, we can do that. So if you would like, we can. So if you like this video, take the comments down below, and subscribe to this channel, give this video a big thumbs up, turn the notification bell on, and that will notify you for any videos come out. And you know what to do. If you're bored and you know what to do, bake with Juju